Hi guys, I'm very happy to introduce you to my new mini Tropic palette. I created this limited edition mini palette featuring the bottom row of the original full-size Tropic palette. All 5 shades are packed with vibrant pigments to create tropical looks on your summer holiday. This compact travel size palette makes it easy for you to carry it in your bag everywhere you go. Continue to watch this video to learn from me how to create a colorful and wearable eye makeup look. I'm pressing Tiger Lily all over the lid, really tapping the pigment onto the lid so we will have a great payoff. This is a buttery soft metallic royal blue eyeshadow. Now with a fluffy brush, I will blend out the edges. And with a small precision brush, I will define the lower lash line. Look up. I'm working always thicker on the outer third of the lower lash line to lift the eye. And we'll connect it with the upper lid. Close, please. And then dragging the residue inwards until the last eyelash. And then dragging the residue inwards and finishing the line as thin as possible. Now with the blending brush, I will blend the lower line to achieve a very soft finish. For the inner corner, I'm using Xena, a lilac matte pressed eyeshadow. This will give us a pop of color and the vibe of the tropical theme.